friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone display and brightness setting friends. In this video guys we will talk about guys how can we turn off our eye comfort mode. So friends, you want to off your eye comfort mode, so guys how can you off in your oppo phone from phone setting guys. So now let's see guys how can you turn off it. So when first of all open your phone setting to turn off your eye comfort mode and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your phone display and brightness setting friends. Tap here and guys now you can see your skin color, and guys you can see this eye comfort mode. So guys tap here. You can see guys your eye comfort mode is on, and guys you want to turn off. So guys you can turn off from here, the right side icon guys. Tap here to off. So as you can see your skin color is normal white color. So you can see eye comfort mode is off. So like that guys you can off your eye comfort mode from your phone setting oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.